Hey guys, it's Trainman46 here today with a review of a HO scale grade crossing from Wooden Phoenix and a gravel kit from Wooden Phoenix. So with the products I've chosen, the first thing you need to do is choose where you're going to put it. As you can see, I already know where and relevance it's going. I don't know how I'm going to get it over there. Or it might go up there. Who knows. But I know it's going this way. And I know my grade crossing is going. It's going right here, so let's get that out. So the grade crossing I got was about $12. I got from Hobbytown, USA. Come with 2 sets, and it's wood. And the way this goes, as you can see here, just put it over the rail and it's just this part, not anything about this. It's just sorry. It's just this part, and inside the rail, and a little bit outside, but it's not slopes. But let's get it out. So just follow the package like that, but I need to get it into order. What you get with is 2 sets of the outer parts of the wood, and you see here 4 of these, 2 of these, and then shims. These are to make it as level as possible with the rail head. Just to add, I don't know, more realism. I don't know, but let's put into the shim. So you're gonna grab this just straight out, and hopefully you don't have anything sticking up, but I do, so be right back. We're back. So I've sanded it out. You can see I've damaged some of the ties earlier, but don't worry, that'll all be covered up. So the first piece I'm gonna put in is this piece. Make sure the skinny part is facing towards the rail, and you're just gonna put it straight up against the rail. You want to make sure it's kind of level too. But that looks okay. So now we're going to put the middle piece in and make sure it's level. Might put in a shimmer there, but for now, leave it there. And now add the final piece. And that's basically all it is. It does add a little bit to your layout. I mean, it's really expensive for just a couple pieces of plastic. I mean, you all this for $12, 13 maybe. All that, but I think it looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and get it all installed. So you're gonna use super glue, install it. I'm gonna put the camera down. Okay. So you want to put it right against the rail. Your first shim, or no, I don't know what it's called. I'm not gonna look. And looks like this is jammed. There we go. Jesus, I got it. I hate super glue. I don't hate it, but it's everywhere. It's so annoying. At points in time, it sticks to you, and it's really hard to get off. But there, just gonna make sure it's level. They're just gonna hold it there. And that looks good. I'll come back around and clean it off the top of the rail, but let's go ahead and install the middle part. So you want this perfect. You want it between the rail spikes. With me, it kind of fits in place, but you want it really good. Now it looks like it's a little low, so I'm going to install a shim. these pieces of paper they give you. Okay, wait now. Well, it's going, so. Hey guys, I'm back in the layout. As you know, I left, so I'm back. It's nighttime, just had dinner. It's Friday night, so I can work as late as I want, but I'll try to get this video uploaded soon, so I'm gonna finish this real review up. So, I got this part glued in, and now I gotta work on this. As you can see, it's not the best zoomed in. Okay, my phone is died, so I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and install this for you guys right now. It basically is getting all the shims right and installing it with super glue. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, save time. So here's it completed. I've added one shim, so I have leftover shims, which are these things, and use one of these under there. But test it out. The air hose works. The air hose will go over. This is really my best box car I have, or my best car I have, really. But okay, it kind of works with the re-railer too. See if like you wanna. So that's a bonus. Also, everything you hear is here. It's everything you're hearing about derailing is part of the car. I didn't keep great. Never mind. They're not in great shape though. But overall, I think for two, it's worth it. It really gives it a good look. And I have wood, or like steel, which is black but with those little axes in them. I shouldn't, but the wood looks pretty good for my area and time period. Or those cars don't look good for time period, but oh. Well then. Okay, but my time period is gonna be late 1990s. Late enough to have diesel, like Norfolk Southern. I'm freelancing this, so it doesn't really matter what time scale, but just realize, make sure you get the right cars in your time scale. Work them in, whatever. Back to the main thing, so let's load in. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up, like the Michael Trayman's 46 stamp. See here, it's kinda, this looks good. In your car, it's gonna go like up the ballast, cause that works, and then, oh look, smooth road, yeah. And then you go like this, so like around a box or go, boom, and you